We are pleased to show you the 2022 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.